How to turn on dark mode on Snapchat on iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat iOS. First of all, open up the Snapchat application. Once you get into your Snapchat app, tap on the chats icon from the bottom bar. Then, from here, tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Now, from your account, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Then scroll down in settings, and you will find the app appearance option in here. Now simply tap on the app appearance option, and you can get 3 or 4 options which can be selected for your app appearance. So simply choose the always dark option from here. And as soon as you choose the always dark mode option, you can see your Snapchat turned into dark. Also, check out our video on how to see if someone viewed your Snapchat profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.